Hi, I'm Komal, and for our project Let's Cycle, I did text, and I also mainly handled the social media. Now for the text, I along with my partner Salma Rahman, I did a photo come text story about the business side of the cycling business in India, and I also did infographics on health and environmental benefits. The experience for doing these two stories was really good. We got to know a lot about cycling, and we found out that there was more to what the eye sees about a cycle. I mean, the business part, we learned how the cycling business in India is growing, and how the cycling business is just not about a cycle, but also it's about employing people and giving them employment opportunities. For the infographics bit, it was really interesting that although it did not require as much hardcore researching as for other stories, but it's nice to know that how many the cycle can be is so beneficial, and how it can provide opportunities and for solutions to so many problems. For the social media, we had set up a Twitter. We have set up a Twitter conversation. We had set up our Facebook page. We have our own WordPress blog, where we have showcased our work. We have interacted with our audience, and it's really nice experience getting to know how many people are interested in cycling and what they think about cycling. It's a very enriching experience because we're sharing our experiences, and they share our experience. They share their experiences, which in turn enriches our project and gives it a new dimension.
Hi, I'm Sneha, and I majorly handled a video that we've already shot along with Sana, who's sitting right beside me. We did the video. One was we've chosen the video in a manner that we've asked people at large individually on a walk swap basis, like why don't they cycle or what is the problem they face when they cycle. And then we went to various authorities like environmentalists and architects, government officers, who have told us the complexities which due to which cycling at public spaces or streets becomes a problem. One of the things that I understood is, from the government point of view, when we asked the government, the PWD officer told us clearly that Delhi is always evolving with so many people coming in to stay and things like that. So where is the space to expand the road? Hence, where do we construct a cycling? But also that every plan in Delhi, when passed, needs to have a cycling lane, and we don't see any cycling lanes.
And also in our video we showed how one architect is comparing the construction of Delhi as a place with other cities like Chandigarh, which is very planned and it has cycling lanes and everything, and how in Delhi cycling lanes cannot be included, although at certain places in Delhi BRT has been included, which has separate lanes for all modes of transportation. We also try to include the places where they rent cycles, so that those who ever want to cycle, they can rent from there. And let's go to Salma. She has covered photo.
Yeah, I did photo. In the photos, I did one text story with Komal, which was basically covering the business aspect of cycling, and the other was an event which I covered with Zeba, a cycling event in Delhi itself. First, I'll talk about the business aspect. We went to different shops in Delhi. We went to three major markets, actually two major markets and one small market. We went to Green Park, where there are three or four major cycling shops. Then we went to Jhandewalan, which is another big market, big cycling market in Delhi. And then finally we went to Chandni Chowk. Chandni Chowk is the oldest and the biggest cycling market in Delhi. So during the coverage, we came across many things. There were many facts. We came to know that the business of cycling is not just about selling the cycles, or owning a shop and selling the cycles. It is associated to the whole aspect of assembling the cycles, which is another part of business. Then the whole concept of repairing the cycles, which also supports the livelihood of many people. So we also came to know about the kind of cycles in the market, the kind of trends in the market, what kind of preferences adults have and children have. And apart from that, we covered an event. I covered an event with Zeba, which was a cycling event. It started very early in the morning, so it was very nice experience getting up early and seeing people cycle. And
Apart
Along
from
with
that,
that,
we are also designing, we are doing motion graphics, in which our theme is basically, we are in that motion graphics, we are showing how cycling, how India is the second largest producer of cycles. Still in India, people don't cycle that much, we don't have cycle lanes, roads don't promote cycling. Then we have showed pollution aspect of cycling, health aspect of cycling, and it's the first time we are using this software Adobe After Effects, and it's fun, like designing and doing motion graphics. Now let's get back to Zeba. She has done audio.
Let's get back. But yeah, hi, I'm Zeba. I took care of the audio part, and I basically made 4 to 5 podcasts. And so I have podcasts of basically people who are member of this group which is called the Delhi Cyclist Club. And they basically talk about why they got into this. They became a member of the group, and they talk about their experiences, and they also talk about how they are trying to create awareness amongst people. Although you have, almost everybody owns a cycle, but they do not want to come out on the road, on Delhi roads, due to some problem or the other. So in these podcasts, you'll be able to understand why is it that even when you have a cycle, even when you have the will to cycle, you do not come out on Delhi roads. So you basically talk about they talk about the problems and stuff. And I also have one podcast which where I've taken one person who's a member of the group, and he cycles because he thinks it's one of the mediums of exercising, and he thinks it's very good, and he talks about all positive aspects of it. And then I have contrasted his viewpoint against a person for whom he does not have any other option but cycle to his work. And he talks about how even in this Delhi summer heat, he has to cycle, and he takes out his cycle for 4 hours, 5 hours, and there is so much of heat, so much of traffic, no civic sense. So basically, in my while I was covering my audio, I came to know, I got to know a lot of different contrasting viewpoints, and I can now understand that even when for some people it is just a very cool thing, and for some people they have no option but to cycle. So it was a very enriching experience. And tomorrow, if somebody says whether you want to cycle or not, I would say yes, definitely I want to. But then again, the major I would say the major hurdle that stops you from cycling on Delhi roads is the problem that people do not have a general common civic sense that should be there in people. They do not.
Continue.
Why are you doing that? Okay. The Delhi is as such a very unfriendly for cycling, and it has a very unfriendly cycle infrastructure. So in my understanding, our project has been able to get across this viewpoint in a much better way. You have to see the products to get to know. Presently, right now, we're into the packaging of our products. There's a group of Salma and Sana. They're still working on the motion graphics, for which all of us should be eagerly waiting. Along with that, Zeba, Komal and I, we're working on designing and layout on our blog. So we've come out with the poster right now, so we'll soon be updating it on Facebook.
And if you want to contact us, our Facebook page is Let's Cycle Pedal with Pride, and our Twitter hashtag is Cyclist India. Do promote us and do like our page. Thank you.
And if you want to get some more sneak peek into our coverage and our experiences, you can go to our WordPress blog. We also share our WordPress blogs on Facebook. Please like them, please read them, please forward them, please spread our message to as many people as you can, because in the end, that's what counts. Your support and your love.
Thank you
so much.
Bye.
Yeah. Why did you do